Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. Olive here, and today I'm going to be showing us how to schedule a refresh in Power BI. So we worked on this sales dashboard project together, and now we want to be able to schedule this refresh so it refreshes automatically every 15 minutes. How do we do that? The first thing we need to do is to publish this report, okay? So in order to publish the report, all you need to do is to come here. As you can see, publish here. So you hit on it. You have to have an account with Power BI, a developer account, because that is what I have. So do you want to save your changes? Yes. So now it's telling me to name the file, and I'm going to name it Fenty Tutorial. And I will save that. So it's telling me to select a workspace. I have 3 workspaces. So I'm just going to go to personal and select it. And now it is publishing to Power BI. Okay, so this is how you get to publish your report to Power BI. You have successfully published your report in Power BI. If you want to see it, just click on open the report. And as you can see, this is what our report looks like in Power BI service. Okay, so we've been able to see our report. Now, in order to go to schedule, in order to schedule the refresh so that our data set gets updated automatically, all we have to do is come to personal here, which is my workspace, which I chose when I was publishing the report, if you can recall. And I'm going to come, this is the report, and this is the data set, all right? Report data set. So I'm going to come to this ellipsis here, which is like the more option. I'm going to settings. And in settings, I'm just going to come and see refresh. Sometimes you will see like your data source credentials might have an issue. So you just hit on edit data source and make sure the URL is what it is and just hit sign in. Maybe that's what it wants sometimes, okay? So once you hit sign in, everything will be fine and normalized. Okay, so come to refresh and you can see here, configure a refresh schedule. I'm just going to turn it on. And my refresh frequency, how frequently do I want it to be refreshed? This is daily, and you also have weekly. But it's a daily report, right? So we want it daily. If you want this report to be sent out just every day, if the report is going to be sent out just once every day, you could as well leave it like this, okay? But if you want it to be updated at different times of the day, so that once it's updated and there is any noticeable change, then you can also send the report. So if your report is going to be going out multiple times a day, then you can decide to add time. Okay, so let's just look at add time. And now you can say 1 a.m., but no, we don't want 1 a.m., definitely. So let us look at this is 2:09 now in my time. So I'm just going to put like 2:15. Okay, so this has to be 2:30. So I think it's every 30 minutes, 2:30 p.m. So you can add another time. And this will be, let me see what, 2 parts again. So we have to make this 3 o'clock p.m. And you can keep adding time, to every 30 minutes. You can keep adding to see if there are significant changes at every 30 minutes, okay? Semantic model owner, send refresh failure to me if there is an issue. They should send it to me. If I want to add contacts, email contacts, I can just hit on this and I'm just going to put my email here or put any other person's email, okay? So aside from that, I'm just going to hit on apply. And you can see Fenty tutorial. You can see Fenty tutorial refresh schedule updated, okay? So that is all you need. So I hope you've been able to learn how to schedule your refresh in your Power BI service. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video so other people can see it. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.